Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to put TikTok account on private. To put your TikTok account on private, we have one basic method for this using TikTok privacy settings. Launch the TikTok app on your device and make sure to log in if necessary. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right, tap the three-line menu or settings and privacy option. Now, go to privacy under the account section. Toggle the private account switch to turn it on. Now, what happens when your account is private? Only approved followers can view your videos, likes, and profile details. Non-followers must send a follow request to access your content.
And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.